Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set up your Dropbox. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Dropbox is a single organized place for all your files. So to set them up, you need to simply get signed up into your Dropbox or create an account in Dropbox. So to create an easy account, you need to simply tap on create an account and type in your email address. After you have done this, type in your first name, last name, and create a unique password. After doing this, you need to click on the box to agree the Dropbox terms. Choose a paid plan or you can simply use the free version as well. And then once you have done this, you need to simply hit up on the sign up option. If you want to set it up on desktop, you need to download the desktop version, and if you want to surf it on phone, you need to download the phone version as well. So by doing this, you will be able to set up your Dropbox on your mobile phone or your computer as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.